Our topic, dear students, corresponds to English 6, Unit 6. Unit 6 has 4 topics. Our review of the first and the second conditional. Mhm. Okay. 2 conditionals, right? This is a review. Okay. The website with the first and the second conditional. Mhm. Different possibilities, different conditions, right? With these conditions, the objective is here. This is the objective. My dear Allison, could you read the objective?
Yes, teacher. Object. By the end of this topic, you will be able to express hypothetical situations in the present through the use of the first and second conditionals.
Thanks. Mhm. Okay. With the first and the second conditional, the participants, they have similar structure. When I say similar structure, is the parts we may use in these conditionals. Okay, let's find out more here below. Okay, well, in this presentation, okay, my presentation, okay, oh, sorry, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Yeah. Phew. Technical issues, my dear students. Technical issues. Mhm. A tip. Regularly, a conditional begins with these connectors. When, if, or unless. Yep. To indicate my condition. Yes. Mhm. That condition, my dear participants, needs elements. Uh-huh. What elements? Simple present tense of the if clause. Uh-huh. Simple present tense. Mhm. How can we conjugate this tense? Mhm. With modal or modal phrase. Should is in present. Can, could, may, might. Will be going to or have to. Yep. Mhm. In present. Yep. Okay. Example. If my if clause, it's the condition. First conditional. If we pass this English course, comma, to separate my condition and the result. Hmm? My dear students, if we pass this English course, what is the possible result? Mhm. Your personal result. Maybe Allison, if you pass this English course, what is your possible result? Maybe Allison?
Yes.
Mhm. Let me help you. Let me help you. Okay. If we pass this English course, uh-huh, I well we it's a comma. It's a comma. Sorry. We will be very excited. Now, uh-huh, it's my condition. uh, And the result. It's a possibility, no? Mhm. So good grade, happy. Uh-huh. Or maybe you will celebrate something special. That's a possibility. Okay. So you may use, my dear students, options to complete your condition. These are the options. Okay. Remember, possible and real options. That's the difference between the first and the second conditional. Mhm. Yeah. My dear Allison, if you pass the course, what is your result.
Approve.
Okay. Okay, that's nice. Uh-huh. So, good news when you finish. When you finish this course. Mhm. Okay. I stop sharing for a moment. I stop sharing because there is an image that I would like to complete. Well, where is that image? Over here. It's loading. Okay. The first conditional. It is. First conditional. Real and possible situations. Mhm. Real, remember, real and possible situations. A structure. Yep. The order may differ. Yep. The order can be changed. Maybe Angie Naomi, could you read the structure, please?
Yes, teacher. First conditional real possible situation. If plus present simple will plus base verb.
Okay. And this instruction, maybe Angie?
Yes, teacher. Use it for real likely situation in present or future. If it ah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Continue,
ah,
continue.
yeah. If it rains tomorrow, we will cancel the picnic. It
Mhm.
might not actually rain. This is real possibility.
Thank you, my dear Angie Naomi. Uh-huh. Again, real possibility. Uh-huh. Okay. This is something possible, something real. That is the first conditional. Mhm. It's usual to use will in my result. The condition with if. Uh-huh. Okay. Or you may include, my dear students, two options. If one that is regularly used when or unless. Mhm. Okay. They indicate the condition. My dear Angie Naomi, read the if description, please.
Yes, if introduces a condition that may or may not be true. If you study hard, you will pass.
Yes. Now, when, my dear Angie?
When used for events we consider certain to happen, only with first conditional. When I graduate, I look for a job.
Yes. Now, unless.
Unless means if not introduces a negative condition. unless you hurry, it will miss the bus if you don't hurry.
Yes. Thanks. Mhm. If is the most common connector when you say the first or the second conditional. Yeah. Another alternative, it is when with first conditional only and unless, yeah, introduces a negative condition. But that is a condition. Mhm. So, one more time, dear students, we recap. First conditional, real possible situations. Okay? Mhm. Well, it's time to practice real and possible situations. Number, there is a number of senses here. Yeah. Mhm. It is loading. And first conditional review. Okay. So my dear Deborah Marcela, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Could you read, my dear Deborah? Uh-huh.
The first conditional is used to talk about
Uh-huh. What is the function of the first conditional? Red, blue, yellow, or green?
yellow.
Yellow? Uh-huh. Could you read it, my dear?
Situation that is unlikely to happen, unreal or hypothetical situation.
Okay. So with the first conditional, it is unreal or real. It is possible. Let's let's refresh. Let's refresh.
Is the blue?
The blue one? Okay. What says the blue one?
Situation that is likely to happen, there is a possibility.
Yay! That's possible. Now, the structure, my dear Deborah. Which one is the structure of the first conditional? Red, blue, yellow, or green?
Green,
The structure says,
if plus present simple, will plus infinitive.
this is the structure, my dear Deborah. Now, order this sentence. It is the first conditional. What is the order, my dear Deborah?
First is if you need the umbrella, I will lend it.
Oh, okay. If as a condition you need the umbrella, what is I will let it? That is that possibility. That's right, my dear Deborah. Good job. Now, next, this is a question. My dear Diana Berenice, could you order this question correctly?
Yes, teacher. Um, is will you drive if the
if the car has gas.
All right. Correct or there. Now, let's read and complete, my dear Diana Berenice. Read
Yes.
sentence.
Um, if it rain tomorrow, I not go to her house. If it rain tomorrow, I will not go
Will not go.
to her house.
It's acceptable. Hmm. Next one, my dear Diana Berenice. They? Huh? My dear Diana Berenice. They will? Hmm? They will jog if it is the possible result, and my condition if it
And it is
uh-huh
it is sunny.
mm-hmm. Bravo, great job, my dear Diana Berenice. My dear Diana Tovar, could you read the sentence and question?
Yes. You can understand the conditionals if you go to class tomorrow. Is is it the correct form of first conditional?
Okay, this sentence, my dear Diana, it is a possibility, true or false.
Mm,
Is possible or impossible?
understand. True, no?
It is true. Yay, it is possible. The next one, my dear Diana.
If you needed help, I will do it. This
Mhm.
is example or first conditional. Mm,
It is first conditional, correct or incorrect?
eh, true, ¿no?
It says,
Bueno, es que no dice well.
wait, no problem, no problem. Observe the structure. If, present simple, and will. Yeah? Now,
Thanks.
if you need it, is this, if you need help, it is simple present.
No,
So, it is true or false?
false.
Yay! It's another conditional. Mhm. Next one, my dear Diana. Read and complete.
Mark go on holiday if he have free time.
Yes.
Sería, mm, green. No, perdón, es red.
Okay. Which one? That is red, blue, yellow, or green. Mark
Um, Green
the green one. So Mark,
will go on holiday if he has free time.
yay! Thank you. The last one, my dear Diana. If
Mm,
he,
if he mm, doesn't study,
mhm,
he will fail
mhm.
the test.
Okay. If he doesn't study, he will fail the test. Uh-huh. So, no determination, no good result. Okay. Yay! Bravo, my dear Diana. So, perfection in your practice. Mhm. Well, this is the first conditional. Now, the second, the second conditional. Structure, my dear students. Let's read the structure. My dear Janelle, could you read the second conditional information?
Yes, teacher. Second conditional, unreal hypothetical situations. If plus past simple, word plus base verb. Used for imaginary, unlikely, or impossible situation. If I had $1 million, I would travel the world. I don't have $1 million. This is just a dream.
Thanks, my dear Janelle. That's right. Okay. Contrasting. In second conditional, mhm, if is regularly used. If. Mhm. But the condition in simple past or past simple in would, yeah, it's a modal and base form. Mhm. Okay. With second conditional, on real situations. Imaginary, impossible. Yep. Example. If I had $1 million, I would travel the world. But in real life, no money. Mhm. It says, I don't have $1 million. This is just a dream in my imagination. Mhm. So, first conditional versus second conditional. In the first, real and possible situations. The second, unreal or hypothetical. Mhm. In the first, if present simple or simple present. And the second, if past simple. Will base form. First conditional. Second, it is with and base form. Yep. Okay. Real, likely situations. The second, Imaginary. Unlikely. Unlikely it is impossible situations. Mhm. So, dear participants, do you have any comments or any questions?
No, teacher.
Nope. Okay.
I have a question.
Tell me.
Mm, eh, this is for mm, mm, situation, for example, false mm, o sí, for situation false,
Yeah.
false.
Oh,
Oh,
not exactly false situations, my dear Christian. It's more possible, impossible. Let's see.
mm,
Let's see it
okay.
this way. In
Mm,
your case, my dear Christian, I use in the first. If Christian, if Christian, uh, let me check the spelling. Okay. If our partner, yeah, Christian, it is correct. If Christian, mhm, okay, uh
uh,
gets mhm, a good grade, a good grade, a good grade in English, in English course, I said in the English course, in the English course. What is the possible result, my dear Christian?
if Christian gets a good grade in English course,
Mhm.
B.
So he will, because it's real, he will be
Mm, mm, a
uh,
great student.
a good student, oh, great student. Yes, this is a possibility, my dear Christian, with the first conditional. Normally, if to indicate the condition and will in the result. Huh? It's a possibility because you can study and then a good score. Mhm. In the second conditional, we could say, huh? It is. If, one more time, we use if Christian mhm, were uh-huh, on vacation, mhm, yes, because it is hypothetical. In this moment, Christian is taking classes, not on vacation. So I use if Christian were on vacation, uh-huh, he would go in your imagination, my dear Christian, you would go to
Mm,
mhm, what place is in your mind, in your
mm,
imagination, my dear Christian,
mm,
on vacation?
to to play it in the beach.
Okay. In this case, what beach, my dear Christian?
Beach.
In
Excuse me. Excuse me. Beach.
in
Beach.
uh-huh. Yeah, you say in Acapulco, in Cancun,
To Cancún.
to Cancun, right?
Mhm.
Yes. Mhm. The second conditional, my dear Christian and my dear students, is impossible because Christian is taking classes. Uh-huh. But you say, oh, imagination says, if Christian were on vacation, mhm, let's see, is this one? Were on vacation, imaginary, if past simple, uh-huh. The imaginary result, he would go to Cancun with plus base form. But this is unreal, impossible. Mhm. Yeah. In this moment, right? And contrasting the first if, okay, so study, Christian does homework, Christian practice on platform, and positive result, he will be a great student. Mhm. Yeah. So real and possible situations, and the second it's unreal or impossible situations. Mhm. Much better. Yeah. Mhm. So far so good.
Yes.
Okay. Now, my dear students, on real situations. Second, conditional. Okay. These are on real conditions and imaginary results. Mhm. Okay. Example. Yes. Example. It is. This is the imaginary result. What is the condition? My dear Christian, could you read it? This?
Luke won't be able to get a job in Tokyo.
Aha. This is the result. And what is the condition, my dear Christian?
Mm, uh, First, if he could speak better
Japanese?
Japanese.
Oh, yay, that's right. Very nice. Very nice. Mhm. Okay.
Mhm.
Another, uh, my dear Christian. Okay. That says mm, this one.
I wouldn't want to live in New York City.
Your city. Uh-huh.
Mm, I want to see. Mm, uh, Unless I earned a lot of money.
Mhm. Because New York City is
Mhm.
expensive. So
Okay.
you need more money. But this is hypothetical. Yep. Okay. Next one, my dear Christian. Mhm.
Mhm.
That says the last one.
If my sister didn't work so hard,
Mhm.
mm, Uh, we do we will do the housework ourselves.
Ah, but this is my
Ah,
sister. She.
mhm.
It is singular.
Ah,
My
um,
sister.
mm. She couldn't spend more time with her children.
Yay! That's right. Mhm. Good job, dear Christian. Mhm. So the order can be different. The condition at the very beginning, if my
Mhm,
sister didn't work so hard, it is in past. And the result, she could spend more time with her children. Could spend is similar with spend. Let me indicate over here. With. With. Oh, here. With. With spend. Mhm. So could spend, would spend. It is hypothetical. It's not real. Mhm. Okay. Thanks, my dear Christian. Now, more participants. Okay. Next participant, our friend Geraldine. Are you there?
Yes, teacher.
My dear Geraldine, the first, I.
I would like my apartment more.
Hmm,
Mm, if we didn't have to share an apartment,
let me try. Oh, it's
oh,
it's another one.
okay, it will like 1 minute.
Uh-huh.
um, we do the housework ourselves.
Okay. Let me try. Oh, you can do it. You can do it. It is
Okay,
my apartment. It is it. It is something.
okay. Mm, I would like my apartment more. I if it were on the top floor.
It's correct. Mhm. Next, my dear Geraldine.
Okay, we'd have more privacy.
Uh-huh. More privacy.
Mm, if we didn't have to share an apartment.
Yay! Because more privacy. So no more people. Only a few people. Yes.
Okay.
Hmm. Thank you very much, Mendy Geraldine. Well done. Next participant, our partner, Juan Carlos. Are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Medi Juan Carlos. Next.
If we bought a bigger house in the suburbs,
Mhm. Yeah. What is? This is the hypothetical situation. What is the imaginary result?
We do the housework
Okay.
ourselves.
Oh no. It's another imaginary result.
Um, we be able to have a duck.
Oh. So more space, more family members. In this case, a dog. Hmm. My dear Juan Carlos and my dear students, this contraction with, it is we, it is we with. Yeah, it's the contraction with, we with. Mhm. Penultimate, Juan Carlos. If they,
If they could live anywhere they wanted to,
mhm,
uh, w- we do the housework ourselves.
ah, it is they in the condition, they in the result.
Okay. They moved to California.
Yay! And one more time. Dave, that is the pronoun, and the modal, it is they with. Mhm. Yeah, it's a contraction. And last but not least, me dijo Juan Carlos.
If we had the time, we do the housework ourselves.
Yay! Mhm. Good, good score. Good grade, my dear students. Mhm. Wow, that is a good performance. Mhm. Yes. Let's refresh this. The first and the second conditional. Mhm. The first conditional, real possible situations. The second, unreal or hypothetical situations. Okay? That's the difference. Structure. The first, if plus present simple will. It's the usual structure. Mhm. The second, if past simple and with. It is commonly used. Mhm. Okay. One more time. I underline present simple, real, possible situations. Past simple, unreal, or hypothetical situations. Okay. It is the first and the second conditional. Mhm. Do you have any questions?